coming to you live from the Warehousing After Dark live event here in Schaumburg, Illinois at the Weber Grill, right before the IWLA Fulfillment Forum kicks off tomorrow. Let's grab some people and bring them on the mic.
And thank you for organizing all this together. Love Supply Chaney, love Nathan, love Kevin Lawton, and the entire team. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to sponsor it as Leanafy.
Yeah.
And I'm Vikrant Neb, by the way. I love supply chain. That's it.
Hey everyone, it's Alon, the founder of Octup. Super excited to be here tonight in the opening event of the IWLA Parcel Forum.
This is Matt, the CEO and founder of Third Person. I'm so excited to be here for the Warehousing After Dark in Schaumburg, Illinois.
Fantastic turnout here in Schaumburg with people from all over the country.
I'm Abby Naraki, CEO and founder of Stock, and we are a marketplace that connects 3PLs with excess inventory to nonprofits. We are super stoked to be here tonight. It is a great turnout.
Yeah, Ryan Howard with Eclipse Advantage. We're a big third-party labor provider. Happy to be supporting this event. Love Warehousing After Dark. Great organization, and IWLA as well. If you're not involved in IWLA, best relationships, best group you can ever be a part of.
It's been great to be here. It's a great event. A lot of good people. Just the right amount of space so we could all talk to each other, and everyone's just open to conversation. It's trading ideas. It's learning about each other. It's swapping contacts, and that's what makes the world go round.
So that's about it for the interviews for tonight. I'm going to take a second and grab a drink, grab some food, and enjoy the crowd and the folks here. Let's go.